welcome to Monday's Challenge Assembly. It's good to see you all here today, and we're really looking forward to another week of learning here at Newlands Primary School. Now, before we get on with the challenge, I want to review something that we have been doing for the last few years, and I think that maybe we just need a little bit of a reminder. Sometimes we can get angry or sad, upset, worried, scared. All those things are okay. It's okay to have those feelings, but it's how we react to them that's the important thing. So, do you remember what you're supposed to do when you're feeling that way to help you calm down? Do you remember? Well, over the next few weeks, we're going to be reminding ourselves about what we can do to help us to feel better. And the first one is going to be how we do deep breathing. Really important that when we're feeling sad or upset or angry or mad or scared or anxious, that we do some nice deep breathing. And it's really easy. Do you remember? Now I want you to take your hands and put them on your tummy, because we want to make sure that we blow up our bellies like balloons when we take nice deep breaths. You're going to inhale and you're going to feel your tummy expand out like a balloon. And then we're going to hold it for a moment. And then we're going to slowly exhale and deflate our balloon. We're going to make the balloon get smaller. So we're ready. Put your hands on your tummy. Ready? Now inhale. Hold. Exhale. Good. You remember, don't you? Okay, let's do it again. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Do you notice that my shoulders go down? Like the inhale, they're going up, but then when I exhale, they go down. Remember, let your shoulders drop down. Ready? Inhale. And exhale. Remember, really slow exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. That always makes me feel better. Make sure you use it. Practice it during the week and keep trying to use it when you're feeling a bit out of sorts. Now, time for our challenge. We're continuing our British Sign Language Challenge, and over the next few weeks, we're going to be learning our numbers. Yes, our numbers. It's really good to know our numbers, isn't it? Yeah, it is. So, the next video you're going to be seeing is going to be on how to do your numbers in sign language from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Here you go. Wow, I think everyone's going to get their numbers really quickly, particularly the 1 to 10. Keep practicing during the week and make sure that you remember how to do them with your hands. Okay, everyone, have a good week. I look forward to seeing everyone. Bye.